guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I'm going to show you how I paint this apple. This is a paint kit, and so that means it's going to come with everything you need to complete it, and that is paint, brushes, and the cutout that you'll get to choose from 4 sizes. Also, you can add on the Sharpie brushstroke marker if you would like. This is a paint by line, so I'm not freehanding anything. I'm just filling in the lines. So I went in and base coated my apple in red, and now I'm using this lime green to paint my worm and my leaf. And to base coat thus far, I've used the number 12 flat, which is the largest brush in the pack. I choose the larger brush when I'm base coating just because it covers more square footage. Go down to a smaller brush, the smaller area you're painting, just so you have a little more control. And I'm painting my stem in this chocolate brown color. Next, I'm going to dry everything really well so that I can go in and outline. And so I'm using this Tekpo heat gun. It definitely cuts down my drying time, and I have really enjoyed using it. Now that everything's dry, I'm going in with my Sharpie brushstroke marker to outline. And if you choose not to get this marker, I would recommend going in with a number 4 round and just the black paint to outline. Another thing you can do with this marker is do some hand lettering. So if you want to write your teacher's name or grade on the apple, this marker is great for that because it gives you a lot of control, just like writing with a pen or a pencil. I'm going to complete my project by going in with my number 4 round, which is the smallest brush in the pack, and some white paint, and I'm just going to highlight everything. So I'm going to highlight the sides of my apple, and I'm going to highlight my stem and leaf, and also my little worm there, and then that'll complete my project. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video and have a wonderful day.